So I'm removing the top lid with the 1/8 Allen wrench on top of the ground control to remove this side panel, and then I'm going to replace the level float sensor. So now that I removed the 1/8 Allen head bolts here, I'm going to go ahead and take this lid off. Just open up top here. There we go. Hopefully give me access to the top. So once you remove those 6 bolts, you can remove this side panel here to access here. Next, we're disconnecting this connector here to access these, to pull this out here. Those 3 screws, and then this connector, this one right here, what I'm shining with my light. So once you remove those 3 little screws and disconnect it, you can pull this sensor out here. So I had to remove the lid to the water tank in order to get the level sensor because it broke inside. This is what I had to do in order to change the sensor because of the level broke. That's it right there in pieces. So this is the new float sensor. I had to rewire it, put the wires back onto that white connector, and just installing it. Put the lid back on, put all the connectors back on. That's it, it's ready to go back in. Okay, the level sensor is connected back in. Don't forget to connect this back here, and let's see if it works.